Morning guys, Rock here. Just finished my morning run, so if I sound a bit winded, it's because I am. Anyways, I'd like to talk to you guys briefly about what are you guys going to do today basically to pursue your goals, your dreams, whatever. And the question you should ask yourself is simple. You know, I went to a seminar yesterday and heard a man talk. His name was Les Brown. Very, very interesting cat. He, one of the main things he said was, "Are you hungry?" Basically. And if you are, what are you hungry for, right? What are your goals? What are your dreams? What are you doing to get there? You have to stay hungry. And I really wish that today you guys stay hungry. Hungry for your goals, hungry for vitality, because I feel great. I feel outstanding. Gonna go inside, do a bit of a workout, and ask yourself this: are you hungry? And what are you hungry for? And shoot for that, one day at a time. Let me know if I can help you out. My thoughts are with you. Have an outstanding day. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.